Struggling to find your financial reports in LegalZoom? Learn how to generate an income and expense report in under 30 seconds. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, from the homepage to generating your chosen report. Start by navigating to the LegalZoom homepage. Then, click on Books on the left sidebar. Now, click on Reports. Then, choose the report you'd like to create, for instance, income and expense. Finally, click on Generate to create your report. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.